Hey guys, welcome to my channel Gyan Bhandar. Here you can learn some smart tricks to handle your computer better. If you like the video and feel it's useful for you, then kindly like, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon for more updates. So here's my trick 1. In this trick, I'm gonna tell you about how to bold, underline or italic the text using some keys. So to perform this activity, we gonna open Microsoft Office PowerPoint. You can also perform this trick on Microsoft Word. So let's start. For your better convenience, I have opened on-screen keyboard. So first, we will type something. I have typed hello world. So to bold the text, first of all press Ctrl plus A. This would automatically select the whole text. After this, you have to press Ctrl plus B. This will bold the whole text. So to underline the text, the same procedure is there. First we have to select the whole text and then we have to press Ctrl plus U. The text will be automatically underlined. And last but not the least, italic the text. The same procedure, Ctrl plus A, select the whole text and then press Ctrl plus I. The text will be automatically italic. So here's my trick 2. In this trick, I'm gonna show you how to change font size, how to change font face and how to change font color using some keys. So let's begin. So first of all, as usual, we would be typing something. So I would be typing hello world. After that, we would be selecting the whole text by pressing Ctrl plus A. And after that we would be pressing Alt key, and after pressing Alt key we would be seeing numerous variables under drawing tools like H, N, G, A, S, etc. After that we would be pressing H key in keyboard, and after pressing H key we would be seeing again numerous variables like X, C, F, P, etc. After that we would be pressing F key and S key, and after pressing F key and S key we would be seeing the font size number has been selected, and after that we would press backspace key and assume any number. Like I am assuming 60. I would be writing 60 and pressing enter, and after that you would be seeing the whole text has been increased to 60. So this was the shortcut key to change text size. Now we will be learning how to change the font face. So to change the font face, first we would be pressing Alt key and pressing H key like above we have pressed for changing text size. Now after pressing H key we would be pressing FF, and after pressing FF key we would be seeing that in under font face the whole font name has been selected, and after that we would be again pressing backspace key and we would be press this downwards key. After pressing this downward key we would be seeing a dialog box has been opened of theme fonts. After that we would again be pressing downward key in keyboard, and after that we would be seeing our font has been changed accordingly. So which font do you like, that you can select and press enter, and after pressing enter the font will be selected. So this was the trick to change font face. So now I would be telling how to change font color. So first of all, we would be clicking Alt key, and after that we would be pressing H key as usual. So after pressing H key, we would be pressing F key and C key. After pressing F key and C key, you would be seeing that theme color dialog box has been open, and after that you would use arrow keys in keyboard to change the color accordingly. Like if I use downward key, it will be changed automatically. So which color do you like? Select that and press enter. After entering it, you would be seeing that color has been changed. So this was the another trick to change font color. So while making our assignments or PPT better, we make sure that our heading looks better. So my next video is based on that only. So my next trick is text shadow. So let's start. So first of all, as usual, we will write something. I'll be writing hello world. After that, we would be selecting the whole text by pressing Ctrl+A, and after that we will be pressing Alt key, and after that we will be pressing H key, and after that we will be pressing 5 key. After pressing 5 key, we will see our whole text has been shadowed. It looks very amazing. So this was my short trick of text shadowing. Like this only, my next trick will be on character spacing. Character spacing is basically used for adjusting the space between characters. For example, I'll be writing a line. Like I'll be writing I am a good guy. After this, we will be selecting the whole line by pressing Ctrl+A, and after that we would be pressing Alt key, and after that H key, and after that we will be pressing 6 key. After pressing 6 key, we will be seeing a short dialog box of character spacing. Here we will see the options very tight, normal, loose, very loose, and more spacing. So for example, if we click on very loose and press enter, and you will see our text has been loosely spaced. This was the trick of character spacing. So now we will be changing character case. Character case is basically change the selected text into uppercase or lowercase or both as per your wishes. So how to do this? Select the line as I have already selected here, and after this press Alt key, and after this press H key, and after that press 7 key, and after that you will be seeing a short dialog box of change character case. Like here it is, sentence case, lowercase, uppercase, capitalization, each word, etc. After that, as my wish is to change uppercase, I'll be select uppercase and click enter. You will see our whole text has been changed to uppercase. So this was my trick number 3.